guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to see how to program our backdrops to scroll. So now let's get started. So now let's choose a sprite or a character that moves around. I'm going to choose Avery walking. You can choose any other characters if you like, or even make a character. So now let's create a sprite that is the background. So first you need to go to this icon here and you need to press paint. Then you need to choose a backdrop. I'm going to choose this moon here. And now we're going to copy this moon. I'm going to paste it in this sprite. So now we can delete this backdrop. So now we want Avery to be walking across the moon. So when we click the green flag, she should be pretending like she's walking across the moon. So she's walking way too fast. So I'm going to slow her down. So now Avery is walking slowly. So for Avery, if we want her to move around the moon, we want sprite 1 to move backwards. So now let's test our program. So now the backdrop is stuck. So now we want the backdrop to go over here when it gets stuck. So now let's test our program. So now Avery is behind the backdrop. So now we want to fill this gap over here. So now we want to duplicate this backdrop to start over here when this one is to x0 and y0. So this sprite will be in 465. So now let's test our backdrop. Hey guys, so this is the end of the project. I hope you learned something. Hey guys, I'm going to publish this project. The project name is Backdrop Scrolling. If you like this video, you can also watch my other Scratch projects. Hey guys, you can also remix this project. It is also in the link in the description.